Is his battery empty? Hello, Mr. Bear? Wait. He's not lazy. He's hibernating. In winter, nature's supermarket is closed. No berries, no bugs. So in autumn, he eats everything to build a thick layer of fat. This fat is like a built-in lunchbox. He eats his own fat while sleeping. His heart slows down from a race car to a turtle. His body temp drops to save energy, like low power mode on a tablet. Wood frogs actually freeze solid, like an ice lolly, but they wake up later. Squirrels wake up for a snack break. Crunch, crunch, sleep again. Months pass. The sun returns, and guess who is hungry? Uh-oh, he used all his fat battery. He needs breakfast, and I don't want to be it. Whew, that was close. What should I explore next? Tell me, and don't forget to subscribe.